Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel, and it's another time with Belle. Okay, so how are you doing? I know you are doing awesome, right? Yep, yeah. So how is it? How's it, corona? No, everything is going down, right? Yep. Okay guys, so I want to say thank you to everybody, new and old subscribers. I really appreciate you. Okay, this channel will not be without you. Okay, and if this is your first time of tuning to my channel, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, oh boy, please pause the video, click on the subscription button, the notification bell, so they can get more updates from time with Belle. Okay, all right, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, so we will be reviewing and hair tutorial. Okay guys, let's learn together. Okay, so this hair is box braid. Is a 30-inch box braid, okay, from Union Beauty, okay, from Union Beauty on Amazon. And I got this hair for, let's see, I got this hair for $44.93, okay, and there was a discount which will reduce the cost. Okay, so guys, you want to go get it. So this is the hair. Let's see how many packs in it. So it is 8 packs, and it should be able to have a full hair. Okay, that's all. This is the hair. I mean, at times there are some surprises in between. I told you. Yeah, so I mean, if you are coming to make it and you don't have crochet pin, don't worry, it will come with a crochet pin. Okay. Yep. Yeah, they normally put some surprises in between the hair. Okay, so guys, watch out. So this is 30-inch. Okay, 30-inch box braid. Yes, guys, and you will rock it. So 8 packs, which I think is a good deal. Yeah, so this is it here, guys. Let's dive into our tutorial. occasion. I mean, just put it on and you are damn going, guys. So you want to check them out, okay, on Amazon as Union Beauty. So I'm going to put their link below so that you can make a purchase, guys. Rush, because that is really a good deal, okay, a good deal. As I am looking tantalizing. Yeah, it's easy to make, it's easy to install. I mean, like, look at it, like, I am loving it. It looks so natural, like I made the braids on my hair, like it's a curve, guys. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from Time with Vera. And I will see you next time. Bye and peace out.